Hi, welcome to the course Building Microservices with Node.js by Shane Larson. I'm Shane Larson, and I work as a software engineer and solutions architect. I have years of experience developing Node.js, C#, and JavaScript-based applications, and I work in the financial services industry where I've gained a lot of experience working with microservices and also monolithic applications. So what will we learn about in this course? In Section 1 of this course, we will design our microservices architecture. In Section 2, we'll set up our environment, and we'll start to program out our new microservice. In Section 3, we will build the rest of the microservices. In Section 4, we will learn about how to deploy our microservices using PM2, and we'll also cover a couple other strategies for deployment. In Section 5, we'll cover scaling the application so that you can have high availability of your microservices. And in Section 6, we will cover monitoring and alerting.